Hello everyone and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, I'm gonna go over a really cool feature that Instagram just rolled out. Well, it's been rolling out for the last couple months, but you should have access to it right now. And that is Vanish mode. Did I go anywhere? No? Oh well. Your messages will disappear. I just guess it doesn't work with YouTube videos. Now Vanish mode will let you send whatever. Let's say it's silly, secret, I don't know, whatever you want. And then it will vanish from your chat, kind of like Snapchat. Snapchat just gets copied over and over and over. I remember Cyberdust from like 6 years ago did this. Corporate stealing is not stealing, I guess. All right, now how this is gonna work is you're gonna open up your Instagram app, and then the top right corner, you're gonna click the message button. And then after that, you're gonna, let's say, send a chat to myself. So I'm gonna send a chat to Nicholas, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna swipe up when you're in the chat, and then you're gonna click Get Vanish Mode. Now after that, you're just gonna click Update. Cool, then it's updated, and then now you're gonna swipe up to turn on Vanish Mode. Okay, sweet, now we're in Vanish Mode. So I'm gonna say, now I'm just gonna send a little winking emoji. Now this doesn't really need to disappear, but I'm just gonna do this for educational purposes. So I'm gonna click send, and then after this, once I see the message, it'll disappear. And after that, so I'll go to my account, and then it'll pop up like this. See at the bottom that I'm screen recording, but that's just for this YouTube video. So we'll just hide the two updates, and then we'll click out of it. Refresh that real quick, and boom, it's gone. It vanished. All right, and that is basically it. And you could use Vanish mode for basically anything, and it's super simple to set up, and it's super simple to use. All right, now if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.